Guys, I've talked about it already a few times, or maybe a couple times. Google has just introduced a brand new variant of the Pixel 8 Pro, this time in mint green, which you could probably barely tell on this box that it's mint green. And as you can definitely tell, I have it here in my hands. Google was kind enough to send it over for me to check out. So guys, let's unbox the mint green Pixel 8 Pro. All right, guys, so we have the Pixel 8 Pro in the brand new mint green. Let's stay FTC compliant. Guys, this was a gift from Google. I am a member of Team Pixel, and that is why I have this thing. So huge, enormous thanks to Google for sending this thing out. We're going to unbox it, and we're going to kind of compare it to the Pixel 8 Pro that I already have. This case is hard to get off. This one is in that cream white color. I don't remember what they called it exactly, but that's the one that I've had. That's the one that I reviewed. So all that being said, let's pop this thing open. I'm kind of excited to check it out, and I think my wife is more excited than I am. She saw that I was being sent this and immediately got very excited because she wants to use this now, and I'll be able to let her use one of them now. So that is the mint green. I must say that in my first impression, it's not as minty green as I was expecting. I'm glad that I've got this white one here next to it to give you the comparison, because without that there, the white balance of my my S23 Ultra that I'm filming with, it may just look kind of white, but with the white next to it, you can tell that it is definitely a mint green. Very subdued colors. Google, if I can offer one little bit of a critique that I would like to give, and I know that you guys are watching, can we go back to colors like this? Can we go back to the era when phone colors were just wild? They were bright. They were just off the chart, oversaturated, almost like on this device here, the Pixel 1. I would definitely love to see that. I mean, come on, look at those colors. Anyways, back to the the device at hand. Nothing too much in the box as usual. No charging brick, nothing like that. Always a little bit of a bummer, but whatever. It's 2024. I guess we have to get over it. USB-C to C, and then a cable to jump from device to device. My wife will actually be jumping from a Pixel 7 Pro to this Pixel 8 Pro. Of course, we have a film on the top, and I have a screen protector coming to put on this thing as well, because my wife is, don't tell her I said this, but she's pretty bad about beating up phones. We're going to probably slap a case on this bad boy for her as well. Power button, volume rocker. Of course, the fingerprint scanner is underneath the screen, and this is a flat screen, which I love that they went back to a flat screen. I do not like curved screens, so really happy to see that this one is flat with the Pixel 8 Pro. We'll go ahead and power this thing up real quick. For those that do not know, I said I'm going to power it up, but maybe not. Might need a little bit of power, so we'll get it charging. For those that don't know, ultra wide, I don't know which one's which actually, probably ultra wide. No, that's the ultra wide. That is the primary, and then that is a 5x optical zoom for telephoto. And then of course the thermometer there, which they actually just enabled in the United States to allow you to be able to check your skin temperature and log that in the Fitbit application. All right, there is your, courtesy of Google, the mint green Pixel 8 Pro. You'll have to go through your setup process and everything.
It's so pretty.
It's a little chilly from being out in the cold, but...
Oh my gosh, it's so soft.
What do you think of the color? It's a little bit more subdued than I was expecting.
I love it. It reminds me of the Pixel 3 that we had. Like, I had, like, the not pink color.
Yeah, it was also kind of subdued as well.
It matches my aquarium stand.
That's true. It actually does. That's a really good point,
so I
actually.
wanted it because I was like, it
That's
matches my
let's
stuff.
go look at that.
Okay. Actually, this is a little bit more...
It's close, though.
It's so similar.
It's close. It's not going to show up on camera that well just because the white balance is weird, but in person, like, that is, like, really... It's slightly lighter, but it's really close. If I get, like, some shadow on it, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. It almost looks white in the camera, but I swear these two are almost the same color.
Yeah.
Well, here's this stuff. It'll walk you through the process, and you can just plug your 7 Pro into that, and it'll pull all your stuff over, and you can get that thing set up and...
From pixel to pixel.
Pixel to pixel, that's the way to go. 7 Pro to 8 Pro.
That's how I run now.
Actually, don't even know if you need those cables, because as you can see, it is popping up on your old phone that you can set up Boom. Scan the QR
my
code.
God.
I remember this now. I think I've seen this done on another device. So if this is...
This is good for people like me because this stuff always confuses me. I'm like a grandpa with these phones.
Yeah, this will make it much easier. It's just going to pull everything over straight away. You might not even use that cable. So pretty cool. You'll be up and running in like no time. We'll have to switch your Pixel Watch over, but there's actually a thing now that lets you move your Pixel Watch without like resetting it. So that's pretty cool too. I think the full setup process took maybe half an hour, and that was with it pulling everything wirelessly from her Pixel 7 Pro to this brand new Pixel 8 Pro. Not too bad. The layout was pulled over exactly the same. Text messages, call log, all that stuff. Of course, Google Photos was there, so all that stuff carried over. So she was up and running pretty quickly. We even grabbed her Pixel Watch, and it's the original Pixel Watch, and did the transfer watch thing, and that took also maybe 3-4 minutes to get the watch moved over. No resetting required. Awesome. Really, really good stuff there. So she's fully set up. I did throw it into a case that has a clear back, and it's like a more robust case that will help keep it protected. And I've got a screen protector coming in the next couple of days that I ordered off of Amazon, and we should be good to go. So guys, that is the mint green Pixel 8 Pro. Huge shout out and thanks to Google for sending it over. Really, my wife thanks you more than I do because she's the one that's going to be using it. I'm holding on to the white Pixel 8 Pro for my testing. We are definitely a Pixel household at this very moment. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content like this. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.